The passage is primarily concerned with what? If we analyze the first sentence of the passage, then we can get that it's not the electoral campaign he is shown to be a master of, but a more nuanced substantive one that will require the delicate fineness of private conversations rather than raucous slogans at a rally. This line emphasizes on the fact about a shaded and secret way is preferred other than the usual raucous slogan at a rally for the campaign. The line supports only choice B, which means deceiving used in order to achieve one's goal. The second line says that he will have to resist the urge, which is a tall order to comment further on FBI's probe into whether he or his campaign team improperly colluded with Russia during the election, and this shows that FBI is not defeated and choice C is so eliminated. The last line says that it's also possible the Supreme Court will, on its last day of the term Monday, serve notice that it will hear Trump's appeal of lower federal court rulings that have halted the implementation of his controversial travel ban, which gives a conclusion of the passage with verdiction of the court, and the controversial leader cannot be veracious or truthful, and countries colluded with each other can never reflect usual patriotism or chauvinism. So choice D and choice E are also eliminated. Choice A is also incorrect answer with respect to the passage and in comparison with the choice B. So the correct answer is choice B.